What's up everyone? In this lesson we're gonna learn how to convert our website from HTTP to HTTPS secure by activating the SSL certificate we purchased while we were making our domain or purchasing our hosting plan. And as you can see in the address bar in the browser up there, we can see secure HTTPS slash the website name. If you go to big website like google.com, you're gonna see the same thing, or any big eBay, maybe Bluehost, any big companies, are using the HTTPS secure. This is to make sure that the data is encrypted between the customer and the website, or the visitors of the website and the website itself. Now if you check our website now, your connection is to this site is not secure. If you press on that icon in the address bar, we want to make it secure to sell through our website goods and make people trusted to use their visa. So mainly you're using the SSL certificate to make your website trustworthy, make people use their visa, or customers, your own customers, purchase your products or your goods through your website. If you don't have that certificate and you're making online store, or you're trying to sell something, or you have this private content on your website, probably no one will be trusting your website. In addition, that it increases your SEO ranking when you use the SSL certificate as declared by Google before. Otherwise, if you're not gonna use it, or you're low in budget and you're gonna make a blog or something like mission and vision website to define your company, you don't have to use it. So now if you wanna activate the SSL certificate, go to plugins and dashboard, add new, and we're gonna make it so easy. Like everything in this WordPress has the plugins to do it for us, and I'm gonna type really simple SSL and enter. Now we're gonna see this one and install now. Actually this one is very good as well. If you have your some images linked to other, if you have links to other images on other websites, this will fix your problems if you have problems in your website in the SSL activation. Now this one will do the thing for us. I mean, use the other one if you have a problem. Now let's go activate it, or we can activate it from the installed plugins. Let's go to installed plugins and activate it. Okay, now we have to do one more step in the general settings in the dashboard. Settings, you go to settings, and because you will find this red message, no SSL was detected, so go to settings and general on the left side as you can see, and start adding S in those WordPress address URL and site address URL. We're gonna add those S next to HTTP to make it HTTPS, and let's save that. Now we're gonna see that your website is showing secure HTTPS on the upper left side as you can see here. Now let's go to plugins, and almost ready to migrate to SSL as you can see. Go ahead, activate SSL. You're gonna press on that button. Now it's activated, and it's so simple like you can see. And you have to change your settings in Google Analytics and Webmaster Tools. This is gonna be our next lesson, and it's gonna be in the SEO lesson. Now let's go back and check our website. As you can see, now it's secure HTTPS. If you press on the secure, you can see secure connection. And if you wanna double check, you can open the incognito mode in the Chrome browser, Control-Shift-N or Command-Shift-N, allowing us to see the website as a visitor or a stranger. Now you can see it's secure HTTPS. That's it for our lesson. That was Khalil Ibrahim with you. See you in next lesson, and have a great one. Bye.